All right, this is an experiment to see if we add a page layout to a change set and then make a change to that page layout and then upload the change set, which version of the page layout is going to be deployed, whether it's the first version that we initially added to the change set or the second version with our changes. So here's the page layout we're going to use. I'm just on a tiny custom object called album. We're going to use this album page layout test. To try to hopefully make things really clear, I've added two custom fields to this custom object. We have version A and version B as our custom fields. So for now, we're going to add version A to our page layout and save. So this is the version that we're initially going to add to our change set. So let's go ahead and make that change set. And I'm going to add this version A to the change set. All right, now I'm going to leave it open and not upload it yet. And we'll go back to that page layout. And we're going to remove this version A field, and we're going to add the version B field. So we're going to say this is the second version of our page layout, and we'll save this. So now we'll go back to that outbound change set, and without making any changes to it, we're just going to upload it. All right, I am currently in a sandbox called Dev1. I'm uploading this to a sandbox called Dev2. In case it's relevant, both Dev1 and Dev2 are just developer sandboxes. And let's head over to Dev2 and hope that it comes over fairly quickly here. While we're waiting for it though, let me see. All right, it'll probably be a minute. So while we're waiting, let's go take a look at what's already here. So right now we do have a page layout of the same name. And in Dev2, you can see the only thing on the page layout right now is just the album name. So that's, of course, before we've deployed the change set. Let's go back and see if the change set has made it over yet. I'm going to try not to pause the video, just as proof that there's no trickery going on here. So fingers crossed it comes over soon. All right, that wasn't too bad. It has made it over. Go ahead and deploy. Okay. Change set has deployed, so let's go see what came over. You can see it was modified at 10:05, so the change set has changed it. And version B is what we get. So this test shows that at least for these conditions where the page layout already existed in the target org and it's one developer org connected to another developer org, the second version of the page layout came over. In other words, changes that you make to the page layout after you've already added it to the change set, as long as the change set is still open, those changes are deployed to the target org.